Hello my darling angels, Paulina here, and I am back with another video. Now this one is going to be a little bit different. As you can see, this is not me today. I am doing a makeup transformation on the beautiful Naomi. So if you want to see more, here's the video. So off camera guys, I had already cleansed, moisturized and primed her face. I'm now just filling in her eyebrows. So one thing I want to mention earlier on guys is if you want to know the products that I'll be using on Naomi today, I will put them in the description bar below. You know I always got you guys. Moving on to the eyes. Now this is my favorite part of makeup. So with this look, I really wanted to give her that statement color in the center of her eyes. And with this look, I'm using that same halo technique that I've talked about in previous videos. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, that color payoff is incredible. I love it. You can't have a look like this without a winged eyeliner. So here guys, I'm just lining her eyes before I apply some eyelashes. On to the face. Now the foundation that I'm using today is from the Danessa Myricks range. Now if you haven't already seen my video on her product, I'd encourage you to do so. What are you waiting for? Hello, look at that cheekbone highlight. Oh man, are you seeing that? And that is the look. What do you guys think? If you want to see more videos of other people on my channel, as always, like, subscribe, share, repost, get your girl's name out there. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah!